Step out. Where you from? Come here.
Indiana.
What are you doing over here?
Nothing. Just traveling to see my mom for the holiday.
Where you got it? Hey, 1037. Hey, get on 30 East. All right. 41 Hot Springs, show me 1037. We're going to be 30 East at the 83-mile marker.
Yeah, boy.
Speed's going to be 130.
Same, yeah.
He's blacked out. He's going to be in the fast lane. Hot Springs, no pressure, babe.
Good boy.
Still in the left lane. Speeds are medium. Traffic's medium, that is. Hey, just be advised, the passenger got the driver's seat on me and took off. There's still an individual at the 83 in that vacant gas station. Speeds are 140.
Good boy. Say, brings in for the 111.
He just brake checked me. We're back on. He is now going the wrong way on the I-30. He's eastbound. He's going the wrong way. He's in the fast lane on westbound.
Can you get up beside him and get him stopped?
10-9 Sergeant.
Can you get beside him and get him stopped?
Negative. He's still in the fast lane.
Take 3 on the corner road 70.
Go ahead and let Malvern PD know, Hot Springs. We are in the westbound lane heading east.
Good boy, I'm beside Hot Springs County. Then he heads up ahead of that, see we're getting legal force on it. No speed in the wrong lane. Good boy.
Damn. That ain't him.
I need to get somebody up on the 106 over pass.
I've lost sight.
Last 10 city call.
We're probably around the 90-mile marker. I'm on 1022 for now. Damn.